What's up, beautiful people? So in today's video, guys, I am going to make another live withdrawal from this same platform, right? I've already made a video concerning the last withdrawal which I made from the platform, and today again I am going to make another live withdrawal. There is nothing so sweet waking up every morning knowing fully well you are probably going to be making withdrawal from platform A or platform B or platform C. So in case you are coming across this channel for the first time, hi, welcome. I create content around online and offline businesses and how you can be able to make money online. So do well to join this beautiful family by clicking that subscribe button. Yes, go ahead and smash the subscription button. But after smashing the subscription button, hey, do not forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscribe button. All right, what the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we upload awesome content just like this one you are watching. To my returning subscribers, I want to use this opportunity to thank you for returning to the channel each time you get notified of a new video, and I do not take you for granted. Right, so without wasting much of our time, let me proceed with the withdrawal of the day. So I am going to proceed to click over here that says account. Okay, so once I click on account, it will definitely bring me over to this interface showing me my withdrawable balance. Right, so just like I told you guys, every single day this platform will pay you at least 1,500 naira every single day. At least. You could earn more, right? But at least if this platform is paying you, it will pay you at least 1,500 every single day. So I am going to proceed to click on withdraw. All right, so I'll click on withdraw, and right inside this box I am going to type the amount I will be withdrawing, and then right here I am going to type my withdrawal password. Remember, these are the withdrawal principle. Okay, so the first one is that the daily withdrawal time is from 9 o'clock a.m. all right, then the second one is the single withdrawal amount is between 1,000 naira and 10 million naira. The third one is, in order to facilitate financial settlements, you can only apply for cash withdrawal one time every single day. And then for each withdrawal you are going to be making, which is the fourth one, they are going to take a tax of 5.0. so with all this being said, let me quickly go ahead and make a withdrawal of 1,500 naira. Let's go, guys. If you have gotten to this extent, guys, I want you to click the like button in exchange of the value you are getting in today's video. All right, do not forget to join this awesome family by subscribing to the channel. Let's go, guys. So 1,500, and right inside this box I am going to type in my withdrawal password. So I am done typing my withdrawal password, so I'm going to proceed to click here that says submit withdrawal. Right, so click on submit withdrawal. It wrote withdrawal application has been submitted successfully. As I expected, the money just arrived right here. As you can see over here, 1,425 naira. I've already made mention of the reason why I received 1,425 naira. Remember, when I was reading the terms and conditions of the withdrawal, I mentioned that they are going to take 5.0% of tax. So 5.0% of tax is 75 naira. When you minus 75 naira from 1,500 naira, you will be getting 1,425 naira. So I will be heading over to my bank app in order to see the analysis of the credit alert and also that of the one I've already received as of the last video. Let's go, guys. So I'm in my bank app, and over here is the transaction history. So I'll be clicking on the transaction history. When you look over here, you will see that this was the one I received as at yesterday, and over here is the one I just made the live withdrawal now. So this is to show you that this platform is legit. All right, remember, I'll be leaving the link in order to register with this platform in the video description and also in the comment section. So make sure to use the link, get registered, and start cashing out for yourself on a daily basis. There's nothing that gives joy when you wake up every single morning knowing fully well you are going to be receiving an alert in one of your bank accounts. Tomorrow we are still going to make another withdrawal, so stay tuned. Click the like button, click the subscription button in order to witness another withdrawal. If you're yet to register with this platform, do not worry, I am going to leave the link to register with the platform in the description of this video and also in the comment section. Right, yes, I'm also going to drop the link to our Telegram channel channel and WhatsApp group which I created newly. What I do in this Telegram channel and WhatsApp group is to update strategies, ways and methods you can be able to earn a whole lot of money online, which I do not bring here on YouTube. All right, so do well to use the link I will be dropping in the comment section and also in the video description. Get registered with the platform, start cashing out cool money for yourself every single day. And after registering, subscribing your account, do not forget to join our family by clicking on the link for the WhatsApp group and also for the Telegram channel, and I will see you on the other side. Keep winning and know that Leo always loves you. All right, until I see you next time, guys. Bye.